Hey everyone, Anthony from DataCrunch here with another computer tip of the day. Have you guys ever noticed when you go on your computer and you get that little notification in the bottom right hand corner saying Windows updates are ready to install, or download Windows updates, or check for Windows updates? Pretty much that message you get from Microsoft saying that you need to update your computer. And what does everyone do? Click remind me later or don't remind me again. Huge mistake. Now, I know updates can be a time killer, especially when you're in the middle of something. I'm not saying you have to install and download them while you're using the computer, but making sure you're up to date on all of the latest security patches and security roll-ups that Windows pushes out is super important. I mean, I'm sure everyone's heard of the Equifax security breach back in 2017, that 143 million social security numbers were stolen. That could have all been avoided if they were up to date on their latest Microsoft and security patches. The flaw that the hackers used to actually get in and breach them was patched 6 months prior. If they were just up to date, even if they were doing it once a month, they would have been protected. So what I strongly recommend for everyone here is to just open up Windows updates on your computer, set it up to automatically run. Think of a day that you're never really on the computer. Make sure your computer's on during that time. Set it up to automatically check for updates and then install the updates. This could be 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, or even 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Whenever it's not going to inconvenience you, you can set it up to automatically run, and then you just don't even have to worry about it, and you know you're always up to date on the latest security patches for your computer. All right, well, that's it for today. Thanks for following, everyone. Have a good night.